This is a voiceless consonant. It makes very little sound because it's really just your breath. You can hear it at the beginning of the word here. You can also hear it at the beginning of the words hot and hello, and in the middle of the word ahead. In English, you will never hear this sound at the end of syllables and words. You only find it at the beginning of the syllable. Now let's listen to some examples. Here, hot, hello, ahead, height, hedge, how. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Here. Hot. Hello. Ahead. Height. Hedge. How. Okay.